Max Q, which means maximum dynamic pressure. You might have heard this word pretty much in every SpaceX launch.
Max Q.
Max Q.
Max Q. Max Q. Max Q.
And also you know the meaning. Max Q is nothing but the moment where the rocket experiences extreme aerodynamic stress from the air. In order to make you more enlightened, imagine you are at a concert or a crowded train. People are pushing you from side to side and you are stuck in there gasping for oxygen. This exact claustrophobic experience happens with the rocket. But note that Max Q does not take place when the rocket is launched from the launch pad or when the rocket is at its fastest. It totally depends on a sweet spot where speed and air density collide. Air density is nothing but how thick the air is. Now let's understand it a bit deeply with an equation. Q equals to half V squared. Whoa, wait, it's actually pretty simple, don't worry. So Q is the dynamic pressure acting on the rocket from the air, and half means nothing but splitting the outcome into half. It's just a constant, don't worry about it. And rho does not stand for resistivity here. Now in this equation, it stands for density, specifically how thick the air is, and V is the velocity, which shows us how fast the rocket is moving. And you may ask why V is squared. It's actually pretty simple. For example, if I'm launching the rocket, it hits the air molecule, right? If the rocket is twice as fast, that means the air molecules hitting the rocket is twice as fast. And more air molecules hit the rocket every second when the speed of the rocket increases. So it feels way harder than before. Hence the same concept applies to one rocket. Because the rocket is moving faster every second by losing its weight, by burning its propellant, it smashes into the air molecules way harder with increasing speed. Now Max Q happens when the rocket is fast, but the air is still thick. So you must also note that Q is the air pressure in the rocket at any moment, and when the value of Q reaches to its maximum, we call it as Max Q. Congratulations, you got a master's in Max Q.